User, hello, hello, how can I assist you? Who is Will Smith? Give me a code to print even numbers in Python. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Code Hero. So today in this video, I am going to show you how you can make a personal assistant bot using ChatGPT API in Python. So first of all, open your IDE and then open your terminal. Then you have to type pip install OpenAI. Since I have already installed it, it's just showing me this script. But in your case, your IDE will get start to download. After that, you have to go to your web browser and then go to openai.com. Then you have to log in. Since I have already logged in, it is redirecting me to this site platform openapi/apps. In your case, you have to log in and also make sure you use a new account for this because ChatGPT allow only certain amount of requests for our bot. After that, it is paid. So that's why I use new account so that you can get multiple free tokens. Then go to your profile and then click on view API keys, and then you have to create a new secret key, name it, and then click on create secret API, and then you have to copy this key and paste it somewhere because once you click on done you can't see that key, so make sure you copy it somewhere. Then again open your IDE. Then we have to import OpenAI. After that we have to write our OpenAI key. So for that, OpenAI dot API underscore key is equal to, and then paste your key. Make sure you don't show this key to anyone, and even I am going to delete this key after this video. Let me just type in quickly and then I will explain you what I have done. So what I have done is that I have given GPT the role of system, and then I have given the content like what I want my assistant to do. So I want my assistant to be helpful. Now we have to create an infinite loop. Then we have to take the input from the user. Now let me again just quickly type in and then I will explain what I have done. So now whatever the user will type, it will get appended to this be a helpful assistant, and then it will get appended to this message. So whatever user will type, it will get appended to this. I have given the role user here, and then content I have given the message which we have got from this input. So now I have created a variable chat and then openai.chat completion here, and then in the messages parameter I have provided these messages. There are various model present of ChatGPT. If you want to know the models, then go to documentations, then click on models, and then here are the models. These are the models. Whichever you want to use, you can use that. Once that is done, then we have to get the reply from the ChatGPT. Now, if you have observed, ChatGPT have multiple answer for the same question. So what we have given is the index 0. So whatever answer is present at the index 0, ChatGPT will give us that answer. And then just simply print the reply. We'll use formatted string for that. And then we'll pass the reply variable here. Now ChatGPT will print the answer. And then again we have to append the messages with, I'll just simply copy this and then paste it here, and you have to write messages here, sorry for the mistake, again here messages, and then we have to append reply, and we are good to go with this ChatGPT bot. So let me just save it and let's try running it. User, hello, how can I assist you? Who is Will Smith? Give me a code to print even numbers in Python. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Please like, share, comment on this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubt or want a video on a specific topic, just comment down below and I'll make sure I make